Hey guys, thank you for joining me in this video where I will show you how to fix a broken sudoers file on an EC2 instance on AWS. This is something that happened to me a while ago, and with the help of some of my friends from the community, I managed to solve. Now, there are quite a few tutorials online showing you how to do that, but they didn't work for me for a very special reason that was interesting to find out. So I will show you that as well in this video. The sudoers file, for those of you who don't know, is the file on Linux machines that configures exactly who can run which applications with elevated privileges. Now, you should really not edit this file with any text editor. There is a special dedicated utility called vi-sudo, and this is the only way you should edit the sudoers file, because this verifies the syntax and the grammar of this file and makes sure that you don't make any disastrous mistakes like I did. So let's just go on and see how to fix the broken sudoers. This is the AWS machine where the sudo is broken. I will simply show that to you. As you can see, there is a syntax error near line 9. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to turn this machine off, then detach its storage device. So let's do that. Let's go to our destroyed sudo machine and stop this machine. Once the machine is shut down, we can go to the storage device right here and detach it from the instance. Once the storage device is detached, we can attach it to a functioning machine, as I will do now. I'm attaching it to a machine called Fixing Sudo, and I'm staying with the default device name that AWS suggests. Now let's go to our functioning machine. Let's list our block devices like that. You can see that we have a new device called xvdf. This is the one I just attached. Create a directory, which already exists. So let's just mount our disk or file system. Now this doesn't work, and this is exactly what I tried to do before. And the reason that it doesn't work is that this storage device does not have a file system on its entire storage. If we run list block again, we can see that there is a partition on which there is a file system. Another way to see that is to run file system check on the whole device. As you can see, it cannot read a magic number at the beginning of the block. And if we do the exact same, if we run the exact same command on the partition, we can see that it's perfectly fine. So now instead of mounting xvdf, we'll just mount the partition. And this is going to perfectly work. And once we have the file system of our original machine, we can fix sudo here. And as I mentioned before, we'll do it using vi-sudo. So let's go to mount fix tc sudoers. And on line 9, we can see that there's indeed an error. We'll delete this redundant punctuation and save this. I save that. Why is it unchanged? Oh, okay, perfect. Now let's unmount the file system and then attach the storage device to the original machine. So unmount. Perfect. We can now detach our volume. Now we'll quickly attach it to the original machine, destroyed sudo. And this time we're going to name this device SDA1 because now it's functioning as a root device. and those have a special name. Perfect. Let's go back to our instances and connect. First, let's start it. And now that it's started, we can SSH to the machine. And run sudo, and it works perfectly okay. So just to summarize the takeaways from this video, remember to check whether the file system is on a partition and not on the whole storage device, and also use lsblock to see your storage devices, and also file system check to try to debug problems if those exist. Also, edit sudoers file only using vi sudo. I hope this video helped you, and see you on Twitter.